Introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Yogesh Chaudhary. I am from Kanpur. I have done my graduation in Computer Science and Engineering from Sri Vaishnav Institute of Technology and Science, Indore. And also I have done Polytechnic Diploma, 3 years diploma in Computer Science and Engineering.
Okay.
Yeah, there are 3 members in my family. My father is no more, and I like adventure games and volleyball.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which technology you are comfortable?
Sir, PHP.
Okay. Only core PHP
Yes, sir, only code PHP.
and designing skills you have.
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Sir, HTML, CSS, and sir, HTML, CSS.
JavaScript and jQuery. You know little bit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is HTML?
Yes, sir. HTML is hypertext markup language. It is only it is used for designing web page.
Okay.
It means only using HTML we only appearance we can design.
Okay. And what is the role of JavaScript?
Yes, JavaScript is used for some events. Actually, when we want to event something, then we use JavaScript.
Okay. Means event based programming you will use JavaScript.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You know validation, form validation.
Yes, sir.
So you will use JavaScript for form validation or only HTML is sufficient for form validation?
No, sir. We will use JavaScript.
Okay. Okay, now I am asking some question based on PHP. Okay. What is the full form of PHP?
Yes, sir. Full form of PHP is personal home page, but nowadays we can also call it pre hypertext preprocessor. We can
Okay.
also say.
Which is the latest version of PHP?
Sir, 7.0 is latest version of PHP.
What is the software tools which is used on PHP?
So software tools. So you are asking about framework.
What software you will use to run PHP code?
Yeah. Yes, sir. XAMPP. Actually, I use XAMPP server 3.4.
Okay. In JAM, which web server is used?
Sir, Apache web server.
Okay. And database server?
Sir, MySQL.
MySQL database
Yes,
server.
sir.
Okay. What is the difference between echo and print in PHP?
Yes, sir. We can use echo for multiple statement, display multiple statement, and print is for only single statement.
Okay. Print is only for single statement.
Yes, sir.
Any other differences? Okay. How many ways you can write a string in PHP?
So there are 2 ways to write a string in PHP. We can write a string in a single quote and double quote. The
Okay.
difference between single quote and double quote is a single quote we can say that it is a pure string,
Okay.
and in double quote it is not pure, it is normal string.
Suppose that if we write variable on single quote, then variable value will be displayed or not?
No, sir. It will display only name.
Variable name. Suppose that echo single quotation $a and $a equal to 10. Okay. We are assigning $a to 10. Then what value will be provided by single quotation?
Sir, can you repeat?
Suppose that we are taking single variable $a assigned 10 and we print single quotation echo single quotation $a. Then what will be the result?
Sir, it will print sir, $a it will print.
Okay, it will print $a.
Yes, sir.
Okay. PHP use switch statement or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between if else statement and switch statement?
Yes, sir. Both are conditional statement, but in switch statement there are multiple options, and we can select one option. And in if else statement, If the condition is true, then it will execute it if statement, and if the condition is false, then else part will be executed.
Okay, suppose that we have two markers. Okay, the first markers and second markers.
Yes, sir.
I want to choose particular markers. Okay, according to options. Then what I will use? If else statement I will use to or switch statement I will use.
Sir, only 2 marks.
Only two markers is there,
Yes.
and I want to select particular. I will choose particular markers.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what you will prefer? Switch statement you will prefer for this, or if else statement you will prefer?
If else statement, I will prefer, sir.
Switch statement you will not prefer.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because only two conditions we have. If we have multiple markers, more than 2, then we will go for switch statement.
Okay. Means for single, means only for two markers. It's not. You will not use. You can use switch statement.
I can use, but if else is good for this.
Okay. If else is easy for
This problem is.
Okay. PHP has compiler or not?
No, sir.
Okay. Then how PHP script will be converted into the machine code? PHP script converted into the machine code or not?
Yeah, yes, PHP is a script-based language and interpreter.
It has interpreter. My question is that you are writing PHP script.
Yes.
Okay. This script you will be executed by Apache web server.
Yes.
Then Apache web server will convert this script into machine code or not?
Sir, sorry.
Okay. Tell me the name of 5 different predefined function of array.
Yes, sir, there are many functions in array. For example, array sum, short, in array, is array, and array merge, array intersect, array combine, and there are multiples.
What is the difference between array underscore merge and array underscore combine?
Underscore merge. Array underscore merge is used for combine two arrays.
Okay.
And
And array underscore combine?
array underscore combine we will use for convert index array into associative array. But the two arrays size of both arrays will equal.
Okay. What is the difference between array and string in PHP?
Actually, sir, string is used for string is a collection of character, and array is a collection of similar and dissimilar elements. Both are used indexing for a store.
We can convert string to array.
Yes, sir.
How you can convert?
Sir, string to array for predefined method is there. Explode. We can use explode method and convert the string into array.
Okay. You can reverse the string
Yes, sir.
without using any predefined method.
Yes, sir.
How? Suppose that my string name is hello. Then what logic you will implement?
Sir, in PHP, a string have indexing actually.
Okay.
So we can use for loop and the indexing by indexing the size of the string. We can.
What is
using for loop, we
what
can-
is the initial condition? What is the initialization? What is the condition? And what is the iteration step for loop to reverse the string?
we want to print hello.
Yeah, in reverse direction.
Reverse direction. Sir, the hello.
Suppose that we are taking the variable name $s.
Sir, total size of hello is 5.
Okay.
5 characters are there, but indexing will be 0 to 4.
Okay.
Then we can use a for loop in which if we are taking $I for initialization equal to 4 and equal to 5, sir, actually, and
$I equals to 5 or 4. Hello, HELLO.
Sir, 5.
5 has no any index. I think that 0, 1, 2, 3. H is 0, E for 1, L for 2, L for 3, and O for 4. and you are putting for 5, then it is the index out of bounds.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will initialize 4.
Yes.
4 and then.
What will be the condition? I greater than equals to 1, 2, what, or less than equal to, what will be?
If I is greater than equal to 1.
1 or 0?
0, 0 actually.
And minus minus or plus plus?
Sir, minus, minus, and minus.
Okay. Okay, now another question is that tell me the name of any 5 predefined function of mathematical function.
Yes, sir. Sir, mathematical functions are tan, cos. There are many different functions, predefined functions.
You heard about
Cos, cosec.
absolute function?
Yes, sir, absolute.
What it will written absolute function?
Yes, sir. So it will return absolute value.
Cell and floor function?
Yes, sir, cell and floor function. Cell is used for when we have, if we have float value, suppose 3.49, then
Yeah.
it will return 4.
Okay.
And if floor value, then it will return only 3.
Okay, that is the difference.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can print you can convert character to string in PHP.
Character to string. Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, actually, character to string, sir. Sir, we can write in double quote, then it is string.
And single quote?
It is a pure string, sir.
PHP has character or not? Means character and string both are same in PHP or it is different?
Sir, actually they are same, but if a collection of character we can call it string.
Suppose that I have echo 1, 2, 3, single quotation 1, 2, 3
Yes, sir.
plus 2. Echo single quotation 1, 2, 3 plus 2. What is the output?
Single quotation 1, 2, 3 plus. Sir, it will be print as it is.
As it is print.
Yes, sir.
Means 1, 2, 3, 2
Yes, sir.
or 125.
No, sir. Because it is in single quotation, then
You understand my question? What I want to ask?
yes, sir. But
Echo single quotation. Suppose that double quotation 1, 2, 3 plus 2. Then what will be the output?
sir, as it is.
As it is, it will be.
Yes, sir.
Double quotation 1, 2, 3 dot 2.
Sir, it will combine that and print as it is.
Means both will be same.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4 it will be.
Yes, sir. Yeah, dot after dot, what will say?
Incorrect. Dot is only for concatenation and plus is only for addition in PHP. Suppose that you are right double quote 1, 2, 3 plus 2, then the output will be 125. Automatically PHP will be typecast. Okay, you know that?
No, sir.
Okay, PHP has data type or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, we have.
How you can prove that PHP has data type? Any predefined function to give return data type?
Sir, I don't know.
But PHP has data type.
Yeah, PHP has data type, yes, sir. The float.
You know about print underscore r function in PHP?
Yes, sir.
What it will do?
Sir, it is used for structure when we want to see structure of array, then we will use print r function, print underscore r function.
Okay. PHP has for each loop or not?
Yes, sir.
Where it will use?
Sir, in array, when we want to print elements of array.
Which array only use for each loop to display elements? We can't use for loop.
Sir, for loop, we can't use for loop in associative array.
In associative array you can't use.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks for it.